Welcome back to my channel, all the students and viewers. Our today's topic is conditional operator or ternary operators. As their name indicates, ternary means they will take what? Three operands as input. How much? Three operands as input. Basically, conditional operators are what? If you want to convert your if-else statement in a single line. Okay, it's basically a single line statement. Depending upon the condition, if the condition is true, then it will execute the statement. These are the operators, question mark and colon. Okay, if the condition is true, then the whatever statement it may be after the question mark, it will execute. Means this is what? The true part. And this one is the false part. And after that, semicolon, because it's a statement. Means if we check if we have A and B, if I want to check which number is greater, then how can I check? If A is greater than B, then I need to print A, else I need to print B. This is how we do. But if I want to print this particular phase of the program into a single line, then what I need to do is I have to use conditional operators, or you can say the ternary operators. This is how conditional operators basically do in question mark and colon. Let's take the sentence. What we need to do is here we must have what? A variable in which we have to assign that resultant value. Here we have to write what? Condition. This is expression 1. After that, true part. This is expression 2. After that, false part. This is expression 3, and then the semicolon. It's very easy. Here you have to write what? The condition, after that the true part, and then the false part. After colon it's a false part, after question mark it's a true part. For example, if I want to check A and B are the variables, I want to check which number is greater, then I can take what? Another variable called C. Okay, if A is greater than B, then assign A, else assign B into C. Nothing else. This is condition, this is true part, and this is false part. If the condition is true, if the condition will return what? True, then it will go out inside what? After the question mark. Whatever variable it may be, the value of that variable will be assigned into C. If the condition will return what? The false part, then it will go inside what? The after colon part, that is false part. Then it will assign the value of B into C, and then the semicolon. Nothing else. You have to print what? The value of C. Clear? You can here print the statement also. Means instead of assigning, you can write like this also. A is greater than B. Then printf %D is greater A, else printf %D, that is B, then semicolon. Look, if A is greater than B, then it will go inside what? This part. If it is true, if it is false, then it will go inside what? The colon part. This is false part. Means depending upon the condition, either this or this statement will execute. There is no semicolon now after this printf, minded, only the colon and end with semicolon. Clear? Now if you want to use what? The nested if else. Means if you have a nested if else program and you want to convert that program into conditional operator, then how will you go with that? Look. Normally what we do, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A we print. Else, if we check it again, if B is greater than C, then B, else C. This is how we check. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A. Else, it will come into the else part only when A is not greatest. Then obviously B or C. Either B will greatest or C. Then if B is greater than C, then B else C. Means in this else, you have again what the if else condition. Then how will you convert this phrase, the set of programming statements into a single line? Look, D is equal to A is greater than B and A is greater than C. This is our first condition. Then A else. This part is complete. In else part, we again have to use what? If else condition. Then what I need to do is one bracket, B is greater than C, then B else C. Look, this is our if part. If it is true, then it will go inside A after question mark. If it is false, then it will go inside this part. Clear? After that, here again I have the condition. If it is true, then it will go inside B. If it is false, then it will go inside what? C. Means this is how you can use what? The nested if else using the conditional operators. In most of the times in interviews, you will get a question like this is the set of instructions. You have to convert these statements into a single line. Then what you have to use at that time? Conditional operators or ternary operators. These are only two question mark and colon. We will continue to take the examples of these particular operators and everything in our further topics also. I hope you understand that. Thank you.